Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Do you feel the power? I do. I love having this Greenworks power washer around, especially now that it's nice enough to actually use the hose. I can level up the strength of my hose with this power washer. I have found it has been great for cleaning off the patio, the sidewalks, and the driveway. It's also great for washing our cars. It's really easy to put together and get started using right away once it's delivered to you. Now you can see right now it is turned on, but it is running silent. It doesn't get loud until you press the button or pull the handle. You may think, like I did, that you have tripped the power on it, that it's not working because it turns on, it's loud, and then it goes silent. But it will start making noise and it will actually work when you pull on the handle. It does come with a soap container, so you can add soap directly to your water just by spraying. I really appreciate that it has a nice long cord and a nice long hose connected to the handle, so you don't have to be right next to the outlet. I like that it's not overly powerful. It's perfect for those jobs that need more pressure than a garden hose, but you're also worried about maybe damaging the decking. You don't have to worry about that with this. I can see this pressure washer getting a lot of use out of us this summer, and that's my point of view.